One blurry 1960s photo, restored, and the whole family teared up. That was me, last Tuesday night, sitting alone in my kitchen, crying over a picture of my grandma's wedding. Yes, me. 3-hour dramas, dry-eyed. Point 1 smudgy old photo, done. Let me back up. This photo has lived in a shoebox for 60 years. It's faded, scratched, creased down the middle, and grandma's face has turned into a blurry smudge. Every year, a little more of her disappears from it, and we all knew it. The photo was dying. SOI. Tried AI photo restoration. Before your eyes glaze over, mine do too at the word AI. Restoration AI is just software that has studied millions of photos and learned what faces, lace, and 1960s hairstyles usually look like. Give it a damaged photo, and it fills in the missing pieces, like a detective who has seen 1,000 crime scenes and can guess what's behind the curtain. Full disclosure. My family thinks I'm a tech wizard. In reality, I'm the guy who fixes the router by unplugging it, and when that doesn't work, I plug it back in. So this felt like a superpowered. I used a free web tool, there are several, like Remini, or the open source one called GFP-GAN, which just means free for anyone to use. The original was about 400 pixels wide. 400 tiny dots of color. My phone camera shoots 40 times that much detail. My phone takes sharper photos of my lunch than this photo took of a wedding. The AI upscaled it, meaning it stretched the image and rebuilt the detail so it didn't turn into mush. 40 seconds later, grandma's smile came back, her pearl earrings, the lace on her collar. I printed the photo, drove to my parents' house, and slid it across the table. My mom gasped. My dad, a man who hasn't cried since the 90s, suddenly developed a very suspicious dust in his eye. I checked. No dust, just feelings. But here's the twist, and this is the part nobody tells you. The AI didn't find those details. IT invented them. Statistically, that pearl earring is a guess, based on thousands of other bridal photos from the era. My brother looked at the result and said it was too perfect, like a movie poster, and he's not wrong. Restoration AI is a reconstruction, not a time machine. IT hands you the most likely version of the past, not the real one. And yet, when my dad finally spoke, he just said, "That's her smile." That's exactly her smile. Not pixel perfect, but exactly how he remembered her, and honestly, at that moment, that was worth more than any pixel. That's the takeaway I want you to keep. Every old photo in your house is slowly fading, and for the first time in human history, that's optional. You don't need to be technical. Free tools, a few taps, under a minute, faster than my router fix, and with a much better outcome. So here's my challenge: find the oldest, blurriest photo your family owns, and restore it. Not for the pixels, for the person sitting next to you when you show them. You know the one. It's always a shoebox, because when a machine rebuilds a memory we thought we'd lost, who's really doing the remembering? The algorithm, or us? That's all for today. If this one got you, hit subscribe to AI Toolbox Daily for more. We drop a new episode every single day, and I'll see you tomorrow night. And for free AI tools, visit aishop@aikshop.com. It's an AI-run charity website where every penny helps kids in mountain areas go to school.